Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be talking and showing you guys how I make my elderberry syrup. For those who are new to my channel, please subscribe. That would be very much appreciated. So in today's video, as you guys can see, this is my elderberry syrup. I have it like in a glass flask. In this process, I will be showing you guys step by step on how I make my elderberry syrup. This is actually my second time doing this, so it's something I actually enjoy doing, you know. I plan on sharing more recipes with you guys here in the near future, so stay tuned to that. But to focus on today's video, elderberry syrup is very beneficial for colds, flus, and I noticed for me, it helped me a lot with my energy throughout the day. So I take at least 1 to 2 tablespoons first thing in the morning, and I noticed like it gave me like that boost of energy, almost like for those who take pre-workout. That's how I literally felt. So it may affect everybody differently, but that's how it was for me. I'm prone to getting sick, yes, not flu so much, but cold, especially when it's that season. So I thought this would be a good idea for me to use to, you know, help prevent colds and flu. So it's definitely beneficial for that. I also, and especially during this hard time right now, you know, COVID's here. So this is another thing that people's been making, and I thought it would be a good idea for me to use, especially because I get sick very easily. So I was like, why not give this a try and see how I like it, and I actually love it. In the video, I talk about it a little bit. So in this one, I actually use ginger in my elderberry syrup for the first time. Yes, I talk about the benefits in there, so stay tuned to that. But I noticed the ginger, I actually like it a lot better than when I made it for the first time. The first time I didn't use ginger at all. And I noticed, and it was really good, but with the ginger, and I'm starting to love ginger, it gave it like an extra boost, especially with mixing it with the cinnamon sticks, as I explained. But yes, please tune in, and I hope you guys enjoy today's videos. And if you have any other questions, please leave me a comment down below and subscribe. So these are the things I'll be using for my elderberry syrup. I have my glass measuring cup, the strainer, spring water, raw honey, cinnamon sticks, ginger, and then my bag of elderberry. So first step is the ginger. I first grate the ginger using my grater. Ginger is very beneficial for digestion. I know that it has helped me. I drink this first thing in the morning with lime water, hot lime water. Very great for that. Other benefits it has: it's good for nausea, it reduces inflammation, and other beneficial health benefits. But yes, this is the ginger. With this being my second time making the actual elderberry syrup, this is actually my first time putting ginger in the mixture. So I was actually super excited about this. I've been loving the taste of ginger recently, especially as I explained to you guys, I use it in my lime water. So I was like, let me add this to it to give it like a boost, like a little kick to it, and it's very beneficial for the body. So I was like, why not implement it? And then here I'm slicing the ginger. It's whatever your preference is on how you want, how big or whatever size you want your ginger to be. But this is normally how I like to slice my ginger. And then this is like usually the size I would put in my ginger water when I boil it with the lime as well. So here I'm actually measuring the spring water in the measuring cup before I pour it into the pot. Y'all, in this step I actually got a little too carried away in the amount of water I used. I recommend at least a cup, maybe a cup and a half, 2 cups. I probably did at least 2.5 cups, which was a lot more than what I needed, but it's okay. I had a little extra elderberry and I'll pass it on to someone else. But I say at least 2 cups maximum for spring water to pour into your pot is all you need, especially to last you for at least up to like a month and a half before you make fresh elderberry syrup. So here I'm actually pouring the elderberry into a measuring cup. I did about a cup, and at least 1 cup of elderberry is all I really needed. I probably went a little over, but that's all you need for the amount of water that I used. So the first thing I did was pour my elderberry into the water, and the stove is on low heat. Then here are the cinnamon sticks, organic. I add my cinnamon sticks in. Sorry guys, the steam had the camera lens all fogged up, so it looks a little blurry. But I add only at least 3 cinnamon sticks to the mixture. But yeah, if you guys know me, I love cinnamon. It actually gives it a really good taste with the elderberry syrup, and it'll also help balance out with the ginger, so it's not as strong. But here I am just giving it a quick stir, and then adding the ginger is my next step. So I make sure I put all of the pieces of ginger that I chopped up, I make sure just to add to the mixture. As you're cooking the ingredients together, you want to make sure that it's on low heat throughout the entire process. I let these ingredients steep for about 30 minutes. This is my favorite brand of raw honey that I'll be using. I take about 1 cup of the raw honey and then I add it to the mixture. The liquid is actually still warm, so the raw honey actually stirs up very well. It mixes very well. And yeah, that'll give it like the sweeter taste and other benefits for it. I absolutely love using this honey. I use it in my coffee, tea, and of course the syrup. This raw honey actually comes straight from the honeycomb. It actually does not go through the pasteurization process like usually other brands of honey does, but here is the raw honey. So once I'm done mixing the honey, I'm gonna go ahead and add the elderberry to a measuring cup, and then that's when I add it to the flask and it's ready to go. This is just my step-by-step on how I make my elderberry syrup. Everybody makes it different, but this is just an easy process and the way I learned. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and stay tuned for more of the daily life of Chey.